Hello my dear students, how are you? Yesterday we discussed about the benefits of reading the books. I have given some tips yesterday. If you read, your vocabulary increase, then your knowledge increase, then your self-confidence built up. And when your self-confidence built up, you will be the focus. Yes, these all are the wonderful benefits of reading the book. Today, I want to give you some deep knowledge about what are the benefits of reading the books. Students, there are so many types of books, and there are so many types of reading also. If I start with something very specifically, first of all, you need to cultivate the habit of reading the newspaper. Yes, my dear students. Why newspaper? In newspaper, every day current issues are coming. So you will come to know what is going on in present era, in whole world, and even near to you also what is going on that is coming in newspaper. So your present situation knowledge, which we know as a current effect or current knowledge, that will be your strength if you read newspaper every day. In that also, I want to suggest very specifically, editorial column you need to read every day. Editorial column you need to read every day in newspaper. With all the news, don't forget to read editorial column. That is the most important thing. After news, there is a magazine. There are 2 or 3 types of magazine: weekly, fortnight, or a monthly magazine. In that also, so many types of magazines are coming. With example, Safari, which gives us knowledge, and current affairs also we come to know. Same way, the wonderful general knowledge books comes in that way, and that is the more importantly for a competitive exam, and that is the competitive success review. CSR in short, we all know. Read that. If you are interested more in present eras, what is going on with analysis, read India Today. So many type of this magazine come to us: Safari, India Today, or as I told you, CSR. So newspaper and this type of magazines are there, which creates the awareness in us about the present era. They gives the analysis also, and some important articles which gives us the vision of what is going on in present era near to us, and whole world also they inform us. So for the information gathering and for the competitive exams, and to be a good aware person or a good citizen, this type of magazine and newspapers are necessary to read. Okay, now I want to tell you about some types of books. Yesterday also I have given some example from the books. Today, very specifically, I want to give the example. If you read the biography of any person, just like this Swami Vivekananda biography, you can understand. If you read this type of autobiography or a biography, you will come to know about the successful person, and even how they become successful, what obstacles they have faced, and on that obstacles, how they have maintained the self-confidence, patience in their life. With the real example, you will come to know. So the first type of book, autobiography or biography, you can read and you will get this knowledge about the successful person's life. Not only they give you the knowledge about the ups and downs of life and how to maintain the patience in that and how to face that, but it give you the most important thing, and that is the motivation and inspiration too. So therefore, autobiography of many successful people need to be read. Apart from there are so many other types of book, like this type of book. This is the whole series of 3 types of wars: ancient wars, then 2 world wars, then in between world war, and ancient. What are the in present era, nearby 200 years or 300 years, what types of wars are happen in our whole world. So it will give you the knowledge why wars are happen, what were the reason behind it, how many people fight bravery, and who win that, and what were their strategy. So you will come to know everything about the war. And why I am telling you, because you will come to know that war is always disturb the human being. War destroy the humanity. It disturb the human being and it destroy the humanity. But the bravery, the sacrifice, the nationalism, and the most important thing that my student need to be very carefully, but sometime when for the peace, for the betterment, we need to fight somewhere. We need to fight somewhere, not everywhere, not every time, but somewhere and sometime. So bravery, sacrifice, and nationalism you will come to know through war only. Another type book is, I want to tell you about the history. This is like Freedom at Midnight. Freedom at Midnight. This type of book you will come to know how our India got the freedom, and in that freedom what type of things our India has faced. The another thing, the journey of Zhu Ensign. You all know he was the Chinese traveler. His wonderful book, The Silk Road Journey with Yuan Sang. If you read, you will come to know what was the position that time when he came here, how people was living that time in India, what was the glory of India that time. In that book, about our Gujarat also written. You will come to know what is the written about our Gujarat in this book when Yuan Sang passed in our Indian continent. So this type of book will give you the knowledge about our past and what we lost and what need to be rectified, that you will come to know from this book. You will come to know through history, as yesterday I told you. If we united, then we will stand. If we will create the nationalism in each state, each person, then our India will be again the Vishwaguru. That you will come to know through this type of books. You will come to feel proud about our India from this type of book. How much glory, what was the wonderful Sone Ki Chidiya was our India, that you will come to know this type of books. Then my student, this type of book by Shiv Khera, so many are there. This is the one of the book. You can achieve more, you can win more, you can win or live with honor. That will give you the action plan of your life. You will get motivation. So I recommend to read the books. If you read this type of book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, for 11th, 12th, I am recommended this book again and again, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, and by Dr. Joseph Murphy. If you read, you will come to know what is real spirituality, real self-confidence, and how to take a call of yourself. If you get this thing, my dear student, whatever I told in previous lectures, automatically you can grasp and apply in your life. And if you read the book like Abdul Kalam's India 2020, you will get the vision for the country. So from every type of book, I forget Harry Potter. If you will read Harry Potter, yes, yesterday I told you your vocabulary will improve. But with that, with Harry Potter, you will improve your imaginary sense. You will improve your mysterious mind. And when this thing will come, it will help in your maths and science too. So different type of books give you the different type of knowledge. So with specific example I have given today, read the different type of book as much as you can read, and you will get this type of knowledge from each type of book. Please my student, read and read. Only one thing I want to tell you: today's reader is tomorrow's leader. Today's reader is tomorrow's leader. So if you want to lead the world, read and read. Best of luck for reading.